Slingshot. I believe this is the LE. Oh, I am in Las Vegas. Came in just for this. Yeah, it's pretty chilly out here today. 48 degrees apparently. Dude, but this is nice. Like 5-speed transmission, full-on manual gearbox, all 3 pedals. Feels just like a car, except it's open. I like it. Bluetooth connectivity, what? Man, can you see the mountains? I think I'm gonna try that blue one next, because it's completely open. This one, you know, it's enclosed somewhat, which is cool, but I guess I'd rather have it wide open like those. I like the way it sounds. Look, I don't really care for this part right here, this little mini windscreen or whatever. I'd rather just be open. I mean, I guess I know why they did it, you know, but still though, if you got a full face helmet on, that shouldn't bother you. So oh, she got some get up. You know what would be pretty awesome? To rent like a UTV and to like take it up the mountain or go out here and ride in the desert. Oh, here comes some freeway action. Man, guys, if I sound a little off, I do apologize, but man, it took me a little while to get here. I had to go to fly to San Fran, then do a layover, then fly from San Fran to Vegas. But it worked out though, because I have some friends in San Fran, some old co-workers, and we had a pretty chill time last night. So even though I couldn't get that direct flight like I wanted straight to Vegas, it worked out. I was able to see them. So yeah. Oh, okay, a positive thing about this weather like this, if you don't want to ride your bike in the cold, like temperatures like this is a fun alternative. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at it. These things sound mean, man. Especially when you blip the throttle on your downshifts. You hear that? The pedals are a little close, but that's understandable. Like, look what you're in. It's not a full-size car. It's not a car. But on another positive note, with the pedals being fairly close, dude, I bet you can heel toe downshift this thing pretty easy if you wanted to. We are back.